everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Point. I'm Emily, and I'm so happy to have you all here today.
And I'm Alex. If you're new here, this is the place where we make English feel like you're just chatting with a friend. Today, we're tackling a question that everyone gets asked. Tell me about your village.
Oh, I love this topic. You know, Alex, people always think they need to give a boring speech about geography when someone asks them this.
I know, right? They start talking about population numbers and latitude. Stop doing that, guys. Nobody wants a geography lecture at a coffee shop. They just want to know what it feels like to live there.
Exactly. It's all about the vibe. Like, if you live in a place that's super peaceful, just say that.
Right. Instead of saying, it is small, try saying, it's a pretty quiet village. Adding that one word, pretty, makes you sound so much more like a native speaker.
It really does. Or if you live in a place with a busy market, just say, it's quite a lively village. I love that word, lively. It just sounds like there's always something fun happening.
And Emily, what about the food? You know I'm obsessed with food.
Of course you are. But that's the best way to connect. Just say, my village is famous for, and then name one thing. It could be mangoes, or a special type of bread, or even just the best tea in the region.
That's such a pro tip. It's like a secret key to making friends instantly. If I tell someone my village is famous for spicy corn, suddenly we're talking about recipes for 10 minutes.
Exactly. It turns a simple, where are you from, into a real conversation. And what about getting around? I hear people struggle with that.
Yeah, they try to use big words like transportation system. Just say, it's easy to get around by bike, or we mostly get around on foot. It's so much more natural.
I love that. And if it's a place that feels safe and comfortable, just use the word cozy. I think cozy is my favorite English word.
It's a great word. It just paints a picture of a place where you can relax. So, imagine we're at a party right now. Let's show them how it sounds.
Okay, let's do it. Hey, Alex, I don't think we've met. I'm Emily. Where are you from?
Hi, Emily. Great to meet you. I'm from a village up in the hills. It's a pretty quiet place, honestly. It's famous for its amazing cherry orchards. We mostly get around by walking because the streets are so narrow. It's a very cozy little spot. How about you?
Oh, that sounds beautiful. I'm actually from a village right by the river. It's pretty different from yours. It's actually quite lively, especially in the evening. We have a big local market, and the food scene is incredible. I love the energy there.
See? That didn't feel like a textbook lesson at all. It felt like we just made a new friend.
Right? And that's the goal. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to share a little bit of your world.
And guys, we want to hear about your world. Seriously, drop a comment below. Tell us one thing your village is famous for. We read every single one of them.
And if you enjoyed this chat, hit that like button and subscribe to Daily English Point. We're here every single day, helping you get more confident.
Tomorrow is going to be even better because we're talking about your weekend plans. You don't want to miss that one.
Thank you for hanging out with us today. You guys are doing great. Keep practicing.
See you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye, everyone.